offering a free acrylic massager to all of our patients who complete their second visit at our center. My name is Dr. Visentin, and Frey, I'm going to let you forward. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So she's going to feel herself move forward, of course, and I'm going to work on the entire spine and relax the muscles, because arch your sides. The little guiding muscles in the spine work very hard. How does that feel, Frey?
Good.
Feels good, right?
Yeah.
And I'm rubbing the muscles on the sides of the spine, and we're giving out free acrylic massagers to all our patients after the second visit. So if you'd like, you could give our center a call and find out. Turn your face to the right, and Dee, could you come in a little closer?
I'm zoomed in, sir.
Here we go. How's that feel, Frey? Right in there.
Nice, yeah.
It feels nice, right?
Yeah.
Here we go. Here we go. She's got some sore muscles, and she thinks this feels pretty darn good. And we're going to work in here, and the massage device is doing the work for me. And I'm going to have her drop the arm off the table and show you how to get in between the shoulders and get some of the knots out. People are wondering about the knots they have between the shoulder blades, and you can feel it right there, right, Frey? Right there. And I'm going to pause there a little bit, and I'm going to work the muscles in and around the shoulder blades. Does that feel like the best thing that's happened all day?
All right.
Right. Alrighty, here we go. So she's got some inflammation and some swelling there, and then we're going to do a stretching exercise to help keep the muscles limber and keep the knots out of this area, and I'll show you how easy that is to do. How does that feel? Good. And what you do on one side, you want to do on the other. I'm going to have her drop her left arm off the side of the table, and I'm going to work where most of us carry our stress, up here in the upper shoulder region, where the muscles get all tight and tender over time. If you're wondering what you could do about that, you can give my center a call and mention this video, that you saw this video online and you'd like to participate, because on the second visit you'll receive a free acrylic massager that you could use for yourself and your family. And Frey will testify probably that this feels pretty darn good, right? Is that true?
That's true.
Right in there, right in there, right? Oh, right in there, right in there. That's the way to get those muscles loosened up. Bring your head into the middle now and just relax. And we'll do the neck as well, because I wanted to show the audience that you can get in, and maybe you want to come a little closer, Dee.
Zoomed in.
Show them, thank you, what to do with the instrument. Here we go, on the neck, that it goes right up on the neck. And you could use this anywhere in the body. You could use this on the glutes. You could use this on the hamstrings. You could use this here if you've got tired legs, or if you have knots in your legs and you work out hard. You could use this on your friends and family. You could use it on your sweetie. And I'm going to lift you up. You ready, Frey?
Yes, sir.
Here we go. And people wonder how this feels, and I'm hoping that you could tell them. And take a step and tell the audience how that feels, because they're wondering how it feels.
Oh, look, it feels nice.
Feels nice.
Yeah.
Let's do some exercises to help keep it
Yes.
stretched out. Bring your head to one side, all the way to one side. Just pause there and let the muscles stretch out of your neck and shoulder. And that's stretching the muscles on this side of the neck. And you can bring your head all the way the other way, and that'll loosen up the muscles so that they stay loose. And you could use hot, moist heat at home for muscles that are stiff and sore. Bring your head all the way forward like this and let your head stretched out. And now go for a swim. Go for a swim. Stand up and go for a swim. Make a swimming motion. Stand up with me and go for a swim. And do some backstroke too, because that'll help the muscles between the shoulder blades and keep them nice and loose and supple. So if you'd like a free acrylic massager, you can give my center a call. We have just a few left. Wanted to thank you for being a participant.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Give
very
you an
much.
acrylic massager, matches your outfit.